puppy.
Come here, puppy.
What are you doing? Come here, puppy. Come here. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Puppy.
Come here, puppy. You want to play with a toy? Come here. Go get your toy. Look here, get your toy. Good puppy. Oh. What are you doing at the bottom of my feet? Come on. Want to come play? Let's go play. See a bunny rabbit? Okay, go get it. Let him go get it, Alex. Stop pushing him.
That's what he's trying.
Leave him alone.
It's 7:54.
Come here, puppy. Let's go. Kick, kick, kick. Falcon punch. With a kick. Bye. Hey, can I have your bunny? Go get your bunny. Okay, hey guys, that was still Ian and Duct Tape Wallets, but today I just wanted to say me and Eric got a new Eric and my oldest brother Alex got a new puppy. He's a Pomeranian. His name is Kimbo, like Kimbo Slice, the UFC Street Fighter. And so yeah, that was just a quick film thing of our puppy. So hope you liked it. Bye.